Here's Polo. And he has a daily routine. When I try to kick him out in the morning, he never leaves. He wants to stay in all the time. Come on, Polo. Time to go out. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You don't want to go? It's time for you to go out. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go out. Let's go out. It's time for you to go out. Come on. Time to go out, Polo. Come on. Come on. Time to go out. It's time to go out. Come on. You don't want to go? Why? Come on. Let's go out. You gotta do pee-pee. Are you ready to go out? You wanna go out? Okay, let's go out. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go out. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Polo decides himself when he wants to go out. And he's gonna get beaten up by his small brother, Coconut. Now, for Polo to go out and get beat up by his brother.